Good morning. It is Sunday morning and we're having a little bit of a slower morning, so I thought I'd do a bit of a stroll around, but that's what Abby thinks. I thought I'd pop over to French Quarter and get us some breakfast beignets. Yep, okay, we've tried it already, but you can never have too many. So let's do a little bit of a challenge to get back before she wakes. There's lots of different ways you can do the trip over to French Quarter from Pop Century. You do it by taxi, which is obviously the most direct. By bus, you do it by Skyliner. Food court doesn't open until 7 a.m. There's people going in there, so I assume that all the facilities are open, but I guess once again the food isn't available until before then. There's lots of people coming out with their drinks, so I assume that the drinks machines are working. So that's more like it, that's the way it should be. Should be able to get it this early. Let's go have a look at what swimming facilities they have over here. This is sunrise. Pool hours again, 10 till 10. I think that's pretty standard. It's looking like a pretty cool pool area there. The great thing about French Quarter is from main reception, which is back that way, come round to the front and you have the Riverside boat service, which will take you all the way through to Disney Springs, can drop you off at Saratoga Springs, and it's just another way to get around. Once again, easy to remember, the Disney transport service for the riverboat runs from 10 a.m. till 10:30, so it is a bit of a slow start if you're an early riser. It's quite a beautiful view. So if you weren't already aware, Port Orleans is divided into two separate resorts. You've got Port Orleans Riverside and Port Orleans French Quarter, which is where we are at now. And they're joined between the two by a nice riverside walk. Port Orleans is the bigger resort, which we have stayed at before. And then French Quarter, actually it does look like it is a smaller resort here. So that's where we came in from. Then you can walk all the way through to the pool area, and you've got the riverside boat service at the front. We've just walked all the way around through the middle and back through. So in French Quarter, the Sassagoula Floatworks and Food Factory has a cafe to the left of it called Scat Cat's Club Cafe, and that is where you can get the best beignets on Disney Resort. You can get 3 beignets for $7.99 or 6 beignets for $12.99. So, what do you do? Probably 6. But it's whether they probably don't have the ghoulish ones anymore, but you can still get the very classic beignets, and that's what we're after. So the package has been collected, and I'm so glad I've done it. I'm not sure they're going to last the journey back to the hotel. No, they've got to, otherwise I'm in big trouble. But it looks like that time of day is perfect. So if you want to get in as quickly as possible, 15 minutes beforehand is worth it, because the queue now is a lot longer. So bear that in mind. If you don't like queuing too long, you may want to get there a bit earlier. You're still queuing, I guess. If you want to be at the front of the queue, that's how you do it. And just like that, I'm back at Pop Century. Yeah, the beauty of a taxi. Yeah, it would have been nice to do it by public transport, but to get there for opening time by public transport just doesn't work at the moment. So it is a taxi drive. But we've got some lovely breakfast. Let's go enjoy. Delivered.
Thank you,
The beignets.
much appreciated.
Yummy. And I was third in the queue. I looked behind me and there was a sea of people waiting for beignets, but he got them all.
He said he was just going for like a little resort tour, and
Yeah,
he'd
it
gone
was a
like an hour and a
resort
half. I thought, I'm going to phone him. This is ridiculous. Hope he's all right. And he stood in the queue for beignets.
And I thought I'd get 2 chocolate sauces, because we're not really into salted caramel, so yeah. Let's enjoy, yes! Just so you know, this is the extra sugar that you get. Yes.
In too much chocolate sauce, Harvey Rover. Honestly, messy child. I think these are going down a treat.
Are they a treat? Let's have a look at the middle
good.
of them. Yeah, see, that is proper.
They're so good.
Yeah. They're so good with chocolate.
Thank you, Danny, for going to get them for us.
Thank you, Daddy, for going to get chocolate.
Okay, it is Sunday morning. It's about 9 o'clock, and we've made an executive decision not to do a hotel stay. We're going to go to Animal Kingdom. We're walking around the back of the 50s area because we think it might be a quicker route to get to the buses. There you go. That's one of the 8 pins that are around the 50s resort section. Oh, And once again, it is a lovely day. There he is. Animal Kingdom. Here we come. Animal Kingdom is 9:27. Yeah. Looks like we might get lucky then. Are you ready for Animal Kingdom? Are you ready for Animal Kingdom? Yeah! So we made it into Animal Kingdom. Harvey has his Wilderness Lodge Explorers booklet. Do you think you're going to collect all the tickets today, all the stickers? Okay, brilliant. Yes, he will. Let's keep going. Beautiful, beautiful colours. Know your show times. So, 1:15 every hour, they do a bird show at the front of the Tree of Life, which is beautiful. I hope we can get to see it because it's a beautiful day for it. Also, at 1:45 the hour, they do the Lion King show every hour, so that's worth noting as well. Oh, smells good, doesn't it? Ooh, ooh. Their watch is doing all funny things. Cool. Across the park, they've got this Wilderness Explorer Trail where if you see the emblems, they have cast members around giving you a bit of information about nature, and you can collect stickers to put in your book. And so there's lots of different stations around the park.
We're going to the Lion King show.
Very good. Yes, we are. I've just parked our strollers. It's a lovely hot morning, so we thought we'd get some aircon. Woo.
And we just realised that I have my old books of the safari scene.
That's a good point. So their expedition, what is it? Explorers Guide, the one we've just been talking about. I didn't realise that we brought their one from 18 months ago, and it's still valid. So we're getting to finish it off, aren't we?
Yep.
Yes.
We've already crossed one.
Well, we've got to finish it off today then, haven't we?
Yeah, but we've already crossed one of the board, which is
Flamingos. Flamingos has been crossed off. So we'll just have to see what else we can get on the way. First Lion King show. Woo!
And finally, we have...
Do your giraffe sound again, dude.
Sounds great, Simba. Let's have a party.
Come on, everybody. Clock and sing along.
We finished doing Lion King, and we realised it's packed. Wait times are ridiculously high, so we're not going to get on any rides today. So yeah, because it's Sunday, it's going to be the busiest day. So we're just taking it as we can. We may not stay here, we may move on. But we're going to try and do some of the shows if we can. So let's see what we can do. So it may be busy, but there's nothing wrong with queuing up to get some more popcorn. Pretty round here, isn't it?
It is, isn't it? Yeah, very pretty. I think we might be in those, you know.
That's all part of it, the senses. Trying to get through all the senses, aren't they?
Right, pump it up.
Yeah. Well, part of it.
I mean, everything. Every time you smell something that's on it smelled nice.
It's a long way up though, isn't it?
No. I'm all the way back down, backwards.
It's a quick way back down.
Going to be up and to the right inside the theater.
How do we get in if we've got
Rider swaps are going to be up
left.
inside. Our feet are over on your right hand side.
On the inside.
Stroller parking, rider swaps. Standby line. Lightning line. You're right. All the way forward. If you wish to wait, you may wait inside the theater.
Yeah.
I got this problem with my brain. Things get really scrambled in my head. I have a short-term memory. I forget things almost instantly.
Nice, Bruce.
Well, I'm Dory, and this is
No, we were just leaving. I'd like to envelop morsels to a little part of your nice box of nothing. We don't get fish our brains not free. Didn't work. We just had to find another way. Remember, all trains lead to the ocean. And speaking of the ocean, Nemo's cab is still out there trying to find him.
Yeah, but there was one big problem.
Well, that's all. Nothing like that.
there's a shiny thing. Hey, that looks interesting.
Please, Dory, try to stay on task.
It has insurance with you while we wait.
Stay covered. Keep missing in that direction.
Just this
To Sydney! So, swimming under a lucky.
Everybody find a bunny. Nemo, that ain't you.
Wait, there's something that
Now go have an adventure.
Right. We have finished Finding Nemo's musical show. And we're making our way out of the park now because it's a little busy on a Sunday, isn't it? So we are going to make our way to Disney Springs. But before that, we thought we'd see what's going on around Dinosaur Land for the very last time because this is going now. This will be our last trip to seeing it. So let's see what's going on. So there's a lot of construction walls up to start with. They've made them beautiful green. I think there's something about Disney say that green's the better colour to use. They say it's a better colour for the public. So, Dinosaur, is this it of Dinosaur Land now?
Yeah.
Is this it? Just one little corridor?
Except they got dinosaurs.
Dinosaur restrooms and Restaurantosaurus is still around though by the look of that.
Dinosaur the ride.
And the ride's still here, which we will hopefully do before we leave home. Anyway, so walking away from the Asia Land. I don't know, Asia. Let's see what we've still got around here. Oh wow. It really is blocked off now, isn't it? Oh look, Donald's out in his Animal Kingdom attire. So the dinosaur ride is up the top still at the moment. And as Abby has just recalled from her brain, it's Indiana Jones is around here. Restaurantosaurus is just there. But I guess this is all going to open up very soon to be a lot bigger area. You can just see some construction buildings there. But they got a lot to do. This way? Probably not. So, Restaurantosaurus is just about here. Pterodactyl Terrace. It might be the last time you get to see it. We've got a quick service area around here. Look at this. Just about dinosaurs around here. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Sorry. Oh, Donald's coming through.
Hi, Mr. Mayor.
Donald number 1. Yay. What you found?
These little peas.
Mini things.
Oh, this is
Oh, anything with Stitch on it at the moment, eh? You are funny. What you got? Alright, there you go then. Same price, I hope. Come on then, tell me what it is. What, show the camera.
But it's this.
Oh, Winnie the Pooh. It's double-sided, is it? It won't go on there because magnets go on metal. Oh, cool. And then you can reverse it. Oh. Okay, so these 4 magnets are $16.99. And yeah, we found the mum watch. Suddenly we're going to find it everywhere now that we found it. Oh, there you go. So, for $150, you get the magical train. Cool. And Grandad's looking to buy something.
It's $60 plus all the $5 more per word. Per
Word?
If I said happy birthday to my daughter Abby on your 40th birthday and said that that's all one word. I said don't put any gaps in it, just do it all in one word. Just all this one. Yeah.
Yeah, with hyphens.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Worth a shot.
It's always worth a go, isn't it? Yeah. Happy thinking, isn't it?
I put those jeans with like splattered blood over my house.
The Christmas Eve thing.
It was in the Lego reference, yeah.
And then you play with Christmas Eve and then...
Discovery Island travelers. In moments, the sky will come alive with color as a variety of vibrant macaws join together, creating winged
There they come.
encounters.
There they come.
We encourage you to gather around our alien specialists at the base of the Tree of Life for a unique journey of discovery, one that you can't see anywhere else except in the wild. Welcome to Winged Encounters.
And the best spot to be is right in this center spot, right where that bird just flew. You're gonna wanna scooch in as close as you can get to me and get your phones and cameras out. Now, welcome to Winged Encounters. My name is Shay. Out there in the crowd with you, you've got Melissa and Reagan, and over there is Natalie and Lizzie. Well, they chose to come here because of something called positive reinforcement training. So every single time the birds see something we like, they get something they like, and it increases the chances they will do it all over again. And these two are pretty amazing. We do love coming to our work days every single day of the week to hang out with these macaws, but none of us would ever want to take a pair into the home, and that's because of lots of things, but they make very challenging
You're right, can you
pets.
see anything? Come back here.
Why they're challenging pets? They're loud. Yes, they are super duper loud. We heard them when they came in. On top of that, they poop super often. They can live decades on end, making them a lifelong commitment, and they bite really hard. They're going to destroy your drywall, your furniture, your iPhones, your fingers if you're not careful. So instead of having them in the household, we really like to refer to us, me and Natalie, at the roots of the tree of life. Now these two are really cool to see. Oh, there he goes. If you duck, they'll just fly lower. Yeah. Now these two are really fun to see, but it's getting...
That's what I want you to get. Wow. Wow. Woohoo. Yeah.
Guys! Isn't this amazing? They take
You alright?
flight onto their next adventure.
Lift you up. Oh, come on in.
Thank you so much, everyone!
Woo! There we go.
We're going that way.
Well, yeah, we're going a different way, are we?
On a different way now.
Oh, hang on. I've always wondered what the middle does. Is there a walkway down the middle? Oh. Oh. I always wondered where that went. We just had a look at the birds in flight round by the Tree of Life, and it is spectacular. It's always on 15 minutes past the hour every hour, so it's worth a look. I know a lot of people rush through the park and go straight past it, but if you stick around for it, it's so good. It's such a buzz because all the macaws are just flying in from everywhere, and they're beautiful creatures, beautiful. Yes, definitely recommend it. We are now on our way to Disney Springs because I think it's time for a spot of lunch and maybe get out of the sun for a bit because it's starting to heat up at last. Yes! Interestingly, you can hop across to another park by bus after 10 a.m. It's quite interesting, but all the rest are hotel resort destinations. So you could do Port Orleans, Riverside or French Quarter. That may get you there, or even Saratoga Springs, which is what I think we're going to do. Just hearing a lot of bird noises. Those are actually bird houses. How cool is that? Anyway, I've lost my party, so I better run.
This is Disney's Saratoga Springs Resort and Spa. Please collect your belongings. Watch your head.
So we're a little lost because we just got off at the Grandstand bus stop. We just assumed Disney Springs would come out in big neon writing saying this way, but looks like it might be a little bit of a walk. Some people might recognise the area better than us. We could do with them right now. No, you are. So we're just going to go for a nice walk in a nice area, basically.
Yeah, I'm just going to take it off to see where we can get to. Hopefully
Yeah.
somewhere in Disney Springs.
See if we can start smelling
Could do with a sign.
smelling Disney Springs. Signpost would be nice. Villas.
Seen that thing with the tree up.
15 minutes. So when you get lost, you just have to ask. Cast member says it's 15 minutes that way. So that's what we're doing. So we come up the hill. We're going around the golf course, basically. Boat transportation. The Artist Palette and the Turf Club. Ah. Yeah, I see. Now we're on the other side of it, look. We always watch this side from the boat.
Why filming other people?
I'm not, I'm filming you.
Yeah, just over there.
Totally.
No, you don't.
What we got
It makes me don't know.
I'm just going to dislocate my jaw.
For me, this is nice.
Good.
All very thankful.
Hans, what's yours like? Good. Chloe, what's yours like? Good. Are they good chicken nuggets? Yeah. That is the size chips that we have as well. It's pretty incredible. I haven't even started my burger yet. That's looking good.
It's Five Guys portions, isn't it?
It's massive. Let's enjoy.
Graham.
Team is yours, darling.
So we have just finished at Deluxe Burger over there, and now that we're all suitably stuffed, we are going to do a bit of shopping around. See what we can find in the shops. You're gonna get out, go on in.
I've got the coconut cream pie one. And do you want the Twix, new Twix one?
Twix, or you've got the red velvet there.
That's up to you.
But for what? For 6 cakes?
No, a dozen.
Oh, it is a dozen. Oh, right, okay, it's 12. So it's a bit more high quality than the donuts, Krispy Kreme donuts. You can get like 12 of them for 15 quid. We're coming to Basin, which is a bath shop, which you wouldn't usually kind of associate with being a fun shop to come to, but as soon as you walk in, it just smells amazing. It smells like everything Disney is, and there's a lot of different things to look at here, including washing your hands, which is more of an event than you realise. So let's go have a look around. Okay, so you take me through the shop. Come on then. What have we got then? Mickey Christmas morning. What's it smell like, Chloe?
It smells lemony.
It smells lovely.
I love those.
It's minty.
Peppermint
Smells like
Mickey.
No citrus, peppermint.
Action.
Let's pick up this, and it smells like lemon.
Smells like lemon. Okay.
Yeah. And this smells are quite like minty, sugary.
Minty stuff. All right. Okay.
And this smells like green. I don't know. And this, what's that? This smells minty. Like
Smells minty.
Toothpaste. You come around here. You proper smell it. So I'm going to talk to you about these.
These are all bath bombs, just so everybody knows.
These smell normal too.
Well, look, it's Satsuma, that. Princess Treasure.
Yeah.
Oh, what does it smell like?
The smell at the bottom, I'll show you a picture of it. It smells like, I don't know.
Look, it says fresh strawberry. Does it smell a bit like strawberries?
Yeah, this definitely smells like. Yeah, this smells like fresh grass.
It says peppermint vanilla swirl, but you think it's fresh grass?
It smells like it.
I know what you mean. That's amazing. Yes. Well done, darling.
And this mixture as
Yes, I
well.
believe you. It's delicious. Does it have an orangey smell?
Yeah, I feel like it is.
It's got a bit of orange on it.
Yeah.
Cool, blimey.
Enough of the bath bombs. Let's move on.
Yeah.
Get one more.
Now these, we've had these before.
Yeah, we've only got this one.
This one, we believe, is the actual scent that you get on some of the Disney rides, like Soarin'.
Yeah. Like the smell.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
so
So if I
these are these.
have a smell of that.
So shall we get one of
Is that
these?
Soarin'?
Yeah. Shall we get one of these?
Well, I feel like we should. Hang on. What's the deal? 3 for $25 or $10 each, or 6 for $45. Blimey. I would just get one.
I think
Probably.
I know which one we should get.
Now, how does it work?
I think we should get that one again.
You want that one again?
Yeah. Can I smell it? Can I?
Oh no, that doesn't smell nice at all. Smell it.
No, it smells like lemon sugar.
Lemony sugar. Oh yeah, you're right. Hello. Right. Well, I think we've shown enough for the day.
Just one more thing that I want to
No more things.
One more
Yeah,
of
come on.
these bath bombs.
And lots more bath bombs. So this is centre of Disney Springs, and you've got 3 main shops, which Mummy loves. You've got Ghirardelli up there. You've got Basin in the distance over there. And then you get World of Disney. Whoa. Up there. There's the other one. Oh, that's it. That's it. Go on then, you sit down there, all right? You sit down there. The thing is, coming down on a Sunday, it is quite busy. So I think we've been quite lucky. We had a deluxe burger for lunch, only like 2 hours ago, and that was really tasty. And we were lucky enough to get a table as well inside. Because this feels like the first day where we're actually getting sun. I feel like I might actually get some kind of a suntan soon, or in this case sunburn, because I haven't got any suntan lotion on. So whoops. What's up?
Pumpkin
caramel apple, pumpkin spice, peppermint rice crisps, peppermint hot chocolate, and just caramel.
I'm the one who wanted to try pumpkin spice.
Let me try the pumpkin spice
Pumpkin
then.
spice, yeah.
With you, Dad.
Okay, sit down then.
Right. Pumpkin spice caramel. Let's see what this is like. Try about, yeah. That is the pure taste of Christmas. I like that. That's my retirement job. So, who's driving that thing? Do you think he's driving it? Very talented if he is. A bit boiling. I think we need a cold pool.
We need to go swimming.
Could you tell them the plans have changed?
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, the plans have changed. I don't know. I don't think I said what the plans were in the first place. So, he's doing fantastic. Yeah, Sunday seems to be quite a busy day. We're trying to fit it all in. It's impossible because the day's just flown away from us. Trying to get over it.
You get to a point where you're trying to do everything, and you just can't. You physically can't. And we've been on the go for what, 8 days, 7 days, maybe 8 days, and I think the exhaustion is getting to us all. I think we just need to keep going, but I think you sometimes just need to stop too. Especially when you've got 2 young kids. I mean, we've got a 5-year-old and a 7-year-old that are ploughing through doing late nights that they don't normally do at home.
They're doing really well. They're doing really well.
But they are tired, like, I don't think Chloe will end up watching it anyway, so.
She'd miss it again, yeah. We really want to see Happily Ever After.
And we've got a really busy day tomorrow.
Busy birthday day tomorrow. So we want to make the most of it.
Yeah, and I want us to enjoy tomorrow and not get exhausted from tonight. So I think it's really important to just realise that we need to stop it.
So we're going to enjoy the evening without having any firm plans of park visits. So I'm looking forward to a nice swim. Sounds good. What she said.
That's a wrap.
Hang on, action. Right, go.
Now we're back onto these again. So we're going to talk through all of these.
And they're 5 for $40, just so you know.
This smells like chocolate.
Really?
Yeah.
It does. It says it is a chocolate ice cream bar. Okay, alright.
So, let's go into the next one. This smells like crossbase things again. I'm not sure. That's right. This smells like orangey lemony. Smells like lemon. So, this smells like chocolate cocoa things. See? This smells like they mixed some of the...
Mixture of everything?
Yeah, mixture of fruit.
Yeah. I like
This
that.
smells like blue stuff, and I don't know what it smells like. I think it's blueberry. That next one, I'm pretty sure it's watermelon. Watermelon.
Sea turtle.
Smells like a little sea.
Definitely smells like a sea turtle.
Yeah, this smells like, I don't know what this smells like. And the last one on this
Pink Pony Club, it says, though.
Pink Pony Club. Don't go to that one. That is the same. Now we're going to go into these maybe after. I'm just going to go to the front.
All right.
first we're going to look at these. So,
You don't have to try all of them, just so you know.
let's
Do they
see.
smell? Don't really smell, do they?
Yeah. Just going to sort them out.
Holly. You sorted them out again, are you? Oh, look at that. A Merry Lip Balm collection. That's cool.
So, now we're going to the front.
Happy. Oh yeah, that makes you happy, didn't it?
Yeah.
They're very
So
good.
last thing, we have to wash our hands